For finance enterprises, data is everything. The financial sector needs to ensure that their data is secure and safe. The large volume of data management using a traditional approach result in slow performance and delayed report generation. In order to leverage the cloud, detailed reports, assessment, and discovery of data and applications are more important. Cloud Intel helps financial enterprises assess the readiness of on-prem data warehouse environments and workloads for migration to the cloud. Cloud Intel assesses your infrastructure, including your data center, legacy applications, and databases such as Oracle, SQL Server, SQL Lite, and DB2. In it, an efficient data flow architecture was proposed for cloud data warehouses. Cloud Intel has helped financial enterprises modernize their data warehouses on different cloud platforms with its flexible and modern architecture. Financial sectors have embraced Cloud Intel, moving data from on-prem to cloud and from cloud to cloud in minutes rather than weeks. It reduced the overall CapEx on infrastructure by a significant amount, resulting in better performance, time savings, and more secure data. Other industries have benefited from Cloud Intel, including public, banking, education, media, agriculture, healthcare, telecom, and more. Get started with Cloud Intel today to start your journey to the cloud. Click2Cloud.com